Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Just Eat promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my Just Eat order, completely free. If you're looking for the latest Just Eat promo code, you're in the right place. So, how do you get it? It's very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, head over to the website linked in the comment section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in Just Eat. Click on the Just Eat result, scroll down the page, and you'll see all the available Just Eat promo codes. Then, click the Show Coupon button to reveal your discount code. Keep in mind that these Just Eat promo codes are limited and time-sensitive. To make sure your code isn't used by someone else, you'll need to unlock your personal promo code directly through the site. If you want the exact link and full instructions, check out the pinned comment below, where I explain exactly how and where to get your Just Eat promo code.